guys, here Lident launched a new fantastic downlight and we call it Edos all-in-one downlight. Let's take a closer look at this fitting. With the die-casting heatsink, the downlight has an impressive lifetime of 50,000 hours and 5 years warranty. The first impression is that the overall size of the fitting is very slim, considering compatible with the low-dip ceiling void in the market. With a separate driver, the heat of the fitting is extremely low, and it's easy to split the LED module to well with the emergency driver option. What's more, the downlight can also be insulation coverable, so that it doesn't need the extra accessories. It is a 6 watts downlight with COB chip, which giving around 550 lumens output. The creative features is that this tilt downlight is IP65 rated, since there is a rubber seal around the heatsink to prevent the water going through to the ceiling. So, the fitting is even suitable for the high moisture areas, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Furthermore, the bezels are interchangeable with a number of bezel options available, including white, chrome, brushed chrome, or black. Here you can see a switch-on driver, which enables the installer to choose between 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, or 6000 Kelvin. With this function, the customers do not need to worry about the quantity of each temperature when they place the order. Let's take off the terminal cap. As you can see the loop-in and loop-out terminals, which is easy for the electricians to wire. I have to say, this is indeed an all-in-one downlight. To learn more about the Lident products, please go on www.lident.com. See you next time.